it's Renee. Hey, 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 it's Renee. Hey, 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 it's Renee. Stop. Wait a second. Like and subscribe my channel. I'll wait. I ain't gonna start till you do it. You done? Okay, let's go. Alright, we got the Love Me handy dandy box. I love its packaging though. And it says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder from Luvmehair. It comes with a nice bag. And this was, and they said I was supposed to get like some bonus stuff because of, I guess because it was so much money. And I guess this is what I got. I got the 3D, it says Love Me 3D Mink Lashes. And it says, "Aw, you're so beautiful." If you guys can see that. This is cute. So I got some mink eyelashes. I got a little gift pack, I guess. And it comes with a comb. Oh, yes, girl. A comb. It comes with the hair wax stick. It came with, oh, this is so cute, a Love Me hairpin, some tweezers, elastic band, and some bobby pins. Oh, this is so great because one, I never use one of these. No matter when I wear my wigs, I never use this, and I always wanted this. So they do have like a little bonus pack. That's great. And then it came with a stocking now. I'm not that color. So I'm probably going to still use it and just put my makeup on it. Because today I'm going out and I wanna lay it down real nice. So I'm probably going to use this and just put my makeup on it if I can't find the one that matches my skin color. And then in the box it has how to care for your wigs, how to use your hair in wigs. It actually gives you like a whole bunch of information. And then even a contact number to contact somebody that night. So now we have a handy dandy wig. I'm going to, I don't even know. Oh, I didn't know how to open the bag. Alright, so I got the 22-inch and it actually says like 22 on it. I got the 22-inch, I think it's like Beyonce wig. You know, you might feel like Beyonce. Alright. So, the hair feel actually really soft. I will say though, I'm going to go wash it. The knots are not bleached. I'm probably going to put makeup on it because I don't feel like bleaching it. I have to go out tonight. So, I'm not bleaching anything. I'm going to let you guys get a close-up of the wig.
Before I show you this wig, I need to like, subscribe, and share.
So this is the inside of the wig. You have your frontal lace closure. You have your combs, which I'm probably going to take them out because honestly I don't use combs. And they actually have an elastic band within it already. In the back, you have another pin. You have a adjustable band that you can change the side. And I actually have I have a big head, but my head is small at the same time. So I'm probably going to have to use those. I'm probably going to cut the combs out. And then if you want to see close up in personal. Ooh, we're a little too close. Okay. So this is how the wig look. It is kind of frizzy. So I'm hoping that the frizziness goes away after I wash it. And let's see. Lace that came with it. Excuse my nails. They need to be done. I just popped them off.
So this wig did not come with much lace. I mean, look at this. It's not really, like usually when I see wigs with, it usually at least cover your forehead. This wig did not come with a lot of lace. I mean, I guess that's a good thing. And then I'll let you look all deep inside the hair. Okay, the part goes back really far. The part goes back really far, so that's good. I'm going to get all in this wig, okay? So I am going to probably tweeze this part a little bit because it needs a little tweezing, make it more natural, and put makeup on the knots instead of bleaching. Because to me, I don't have time. Maybe eventually I'll bleach it, but not right now. So I'm going to go put this wig, wash the wig, first of all. It's from China. Not really nasty, that's not nice. But I'm going to wash the wig, and then I'm going to let it dry, go about my day, and then tonight I'm going to put it on. So see you guys later.
Okay, so the hair is washed. It's not all the way dry. It's a little frizzy, I guess, with the split ends and stuff. I'm hoping that it comes out after I apply, you know, put the flat iron through it, curl it, etc. I am going to be using CHILE straightening guard. It is this one. So I'm going to be using this. And I'm going to put makeup to do the knots. I didn't do that yet. But this is it, just freshly washed. And not flat ironed yet. So let's see how this comes out.